The day I found an onion ring.
I gave you that refrigerator as a housewarming present.
You gave it to us because it was the only way to get Richard to move out of your house.
We are not getting rid of it! It's got too many good memories! It's been there for me so many times! It was there when I was a little kid and the world was new and amazing. During those difficult years when you're trying to work out who you are as a person, regularly. It was there on one of the most momentous days of my life. The day I found an onion ring in the back of it. And it was there at the battle for the future of planet Earth when the robots rose up against us!
Oh, come on, you know that last one didn't happen.
Don't you listen to her, honey. If you don't want a new one, we'll get it repaired. I still have the warranty.